There are some certain actions that make Shaitan upset or cry. Some of them are mentioned here. Number 1. Seeking knowledge. When a person seeks knowledge and engages in the pursuit of beneficial learning, then Shaitan is upset. This is because knowledge is a means of understanding and practicing Islam more effectively. Number 2. Reciting Quran. Regular recitation of the Quran weakens the influence of Shaitan. The recitation of Quranic verses provides spiritual strength and protection. Number 3. Remembrance of Allah. Engaging in the remembrance of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, such as through the recitation of specific phrases, zikr, prayers, and mindfulness of Allah's presence is considered a means of protection from Shaitan. Number 4. Performing acts of kindness, compassion, and charity pleased Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and that weakens Shaitan's influence. Number 5. Maintaining family ties. Strengthening family bonds and maintaining good relationships with relatives are actions that displease Shaitan. So Islam emphasizes the importance of family ties and treating family members with kindness and respect. Number 6. Performing regular prayers. The consistently performing the 5 daily prayers is a fundamental practice in Islam. Shaitan gets upset and cry when believers establish a strong connection with Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala through regular prayer. Number 7. Seeking refuge in Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. When a person seeks refuge in Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala from the whispers and temptations of Shaitan, Shaitan dislikes it. So engage yourself in action that please Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Seek protection from Shaitan. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala protect us from the whispers of Shaitan and keep us on the straight path.